In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the model number of Apple MacBooks and use that model number to check if the device or the laptop is refurbished. The first thing that you do is head over to everymac.com and you'll find this page. The link will be attached on the video description below. And then you will see this input box. You are supposed to input your MacBook serial number. Okay, you just paste it here, and then you tap on the lookup button. Now on the bottom of the input section, you are supposed to verify that you are a human. This captcha. Now there are logical problems that you have to solve so that you prove that you are a human. And after you have verified, the site will reload and it will take you to the results. And if you scroll down, you will see the results. You will see that the serial number points to the MacBook Pro M1 with all the details. On the order section, you can see the model name, which starts with an MY and then MYD and all that stuff. You can do the same thing in this other website that is called, basically while you are in the site, you're supposed to click on the search button and then you paste on the serial number. Now, and then you click on the search button. And it will reveal the order number. You're supposed to check the first letter. Okay? Typically, a new laptop should start with the letter M. As for the refurbished, it should start with the letter F. Okay, that means it is refurbished. If it is a replacement, you will see it starts with an N. Okay, I'll list the details on your screen, you will see them. And it is that simple. It starts with an F, it is a refurbished, a factory refurbished laptop. And that's it. Be productive and see you on the next one.